welcome to my review of Breaker. My name is John-Hooks, and we're going to be talking about Breaker, which is a training tutorial, especially if you are early in your internet marketing career, on how to get traffic and get sales with no cost out of your pocket. And so I am in the members area of the training module here. And we're going to actually come back and go through these a little bit later. First, I need to get you over to my bonus page where we will talk a little bit more about what it's about, the bonuses that I am giving to you, and they are fantastic. Let me tell you that to start off with, and then what it's going to cost for you to get Breaker today. So beneath this video on YouTube, look for the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Breaker here. Click on that link and we'll take you to this very page right here. Okay, so from the creator of this, watch me go from flat broke to $232 per day using the simple tools and the Breaker method. Okay, a little bit more about it. It's a brand new method of literally going from scratch and turning big profits starting the very same day. We're now fully focused on bringing our expertise over to the WarriorPlus platform and for going real and forging real long-term partnerships. We've proven beyond a doubt that anyone can achieve this in 24 hours or less, so isn't it your turn? You don't need to have a website or email list, no product creation or technical skills required, 100% newbie-friendly, takes only minutes to set up, work less than you ever did online, but make more money faster with genius twist. There's no waiting on anything. We give you everything you need to make money right out of the gate. All right, so let's go back on over to the training area here, and we'll go through this really quickly on what you will get here. So to start off with, we have our menu over here on the left-hand column, and you'll see your videos and information over here on the right. So this is the welcome video to start off with. That's Bill Ung, and he is hosting this. But and then we have the overview, basically telling you what to expect, in the course when you go through it. The next section is the tools, that you'll need, choosing the right offer and hosting. Okay, now the tools that you need, start off, free, and of course an autoresponder is something that you will need for continuous success, but there are plenty of them out there that give you 14-day free trial to get started. The next section here is breaking free assets. So you're going to create money pages, or as they're known as squeeze pages or landing pages. Talks about your autoresponders and talk about website alternatives, like if you don't have your website, other alternatives that you can use to replace that. And then the monetization part, talk about solo ads, Instagram traffic, and medium and core traffic, and how to set those up and use those to get free traffic. And so basically that's it. It is a good tutorial. It goes into a lot of detail, and also of course you have your conclusion and what to expect next. Any upgrades that you were interested in and did not get on the front end, you can get them through here. Resources, click on here that were mentioned in the tutorial, and others also, and the bonuses that were offered from the Breaker team, you can access here, and also. So then you can contact your support desk if you have any issues with the training material or something's not working properly for you here. Okay, so back over, let's finish up on my bonus page here. Let's go through what it's going to cost you real quickly, and then the fantastic bonuses that I have for you today. So to start off with, Breaker is going to cost you $12.95. Now this is only a 3-day launch. I don't know if the price is going to go up after May 3rd of 2022, but the launch period is just 3 days. So $12.95 get you access to what you just saw as far as the training goes. Then there are several offers. You have the Breaker Advanced for $27, or the second number in all of these is the downsell. So for $17, you can take Breaker to the next level with and 10 times your results with this upgrade. So additional training on additional resources. OTO number 2, the done for you money page. So if you feel that you not able to create your own landing page or money page as it's called, they'll do it for you for $27. So, and you'll get 15 of them, with the powerful software for free. All right, so OTO number 3, unlimited traffic for 365 days for $47. So, of course, traffic is the lifeblood of internet marketing. And so with this upgrade, we'll remove the traffic borders or hurdles or barriers and bring you high quality traffic from our sources for 365 days. Okay, OTO number 4, done for you lifetime campaigns for $97 on the down sale. So you get 15 done for you campaigns and without having to incur or recur any fees. Again, OTO number 5 is resale rights to Breaker for $67, and of course you get to resell Breaker and you keep 100% of all the profits that are there. So some key features here, you get to drive hungry buyers to your offer, no experience is needed, step-by-step training videos, it can be done without paid traffic, without creating videos, simple set and forget hack, no hassles, pure results, and without showing your face on video. And of course, this comes with 100% money back guarantee. Now, if you decide to pick up Breaker today, you can click on any of the blue links on my bonus page here, and that will take you over to your secure checkout. So let's talk about what I am giving you here. So if you are new or early in your affiliate marketing venture here, like I said, traffic is the lifeblood, and so I am giving you 5,000 visitors. Now, on their upgrade here, where it says 365 days of traffic, you don't know how many visitors you're going to get. But I am giving you guaranteed 5,000 visitors, 2,500 text ads, and 2,500 banner impressions, all right, for free. This is worth $1,000, by itself. So I would pick up Breaker not only just for the training, but just to get this bonus right here, which costs you absolutely nothing. All you have to do is just buy the front end of Breaker, and this is yours for free. Bonus number 2, another great bonus, especially if you're fairly new, email copy secrets. This is a digital download edition, and so this part of this training is landing pages, and so if you want to create your own, you need to this is email copy secrets. So part of the strategy is getting sending emails to your offers, and so you need to know how to compose those, what their frequency is, what to say in them, and other different elements. And so this here is extremely valuable. So $97 value just right there. In addition, I have a couple of other bonuses for you. Bonus number 3, mail our list. And so this is a program where you can send your offer to a list of thousands of people that are owned by Dawood Islam, and you can put your offer in front of those people. And bonus number 4, promote your offer. And so this is going to be like a rotator where you will maybe put the link to the landing page that you create from this course in front of thousands of people to see. All right, and this is a lifetime. This is not a limited time on this, okay? And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that the Breaker crew is giving you when you purchase Breaker today. Okay, once again, any of the blue banners on my page here will get you to your secure checkout, so you can go ahead and get your copy. This is sold on the WarriorPlus platform, so once you go to your secure checkout, you'll come to a page that looks similar to this, and the green button here will be where you will access Breaker. The blue button on the page is where you will access all of the bonuses that I am giving to you when you pick up Breaker today. All right? And so that is pretty much it. Quick and simple. I want to go ahead and thank you for taking the time to review my offer. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give it that thumbs up and find that alert bell, and thank you very much. So once again, thank you for watching my review and bonuses of Breaker, and as always, to your success.